Hi student, welcome all of you to our The Vidyasthan Land of Knowledge. Students, we have already studied our introduction part of number system of class 9. This is the second video on which we will study about how to represent an irrational number yani root 2, root 3 on number line. So, we have already studied how to represent natural number on number line, whole number on number line, integers on number line and rational number on number line. Today we will read how to represent irrational number on number line. So let's see. We have the knowledge of Pythagoras theorem. If this is a right angle triangle, this is base equal to 1 and this is P, yani perpendicular equal to 1. This is H. H means hypotenuse and this will be root 2. On the basis of this concept, we will draw root 2 on number line. So, we have to first draw a straight line and in the middle we will take 0 and mark it as suppose A. And we will draw this and this, and the distance between two consecutive marks should be equal with each other. Suppose this is 1 and this is 2. Mark this is B. Hence see here, from our concept, base is equal to the perpendicular. Suppose AB is the base and we will draw a perpendicular on B. So that we will draw a perpendicular on B so that it will be equal to with the measurement AB. So by putting the pointer of the compass here, make an arc which is equal to the measurement of AB. So mark it C and join OC. Finally, OC will be the root 2. Hence, by taking OC as radius and O as center, draw an arc and this will represent root 2 on number line. Are you getting the students? And the similar way we can draw root 3 on number line. For root 3, we have to draw the base root 2 and the perpendicular 1, and hence root 3 will be root 2 square plus 1 square root of which is equal to 2 plus 1 yani root 3. So from our previous drawing root 2, by taking root 2, this drawing we will draw a perpendicular on C. So then measure an arc by taking center C. Here suppose this is D and CD will be 1 unit like AB and BC. Then we will join OD. Now see, the base is root 2 and the perpendicular is 1. So OD will be root 3 and it must come between 1 and 2. See student, in general we have 1 root 2 over, yani square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 4 is 2. Hence the square root of root 2, the square root of 2 and the square root over 3 will come between 1 and 2. Hence in this way we can find the representation of root 5, root 7, root 11 on number line. So if you have any doubt, then comments me on comment box. Now student, we will read the concept real numbers and their decimal expansion. See student, the real number, as we know from the introduction part, the real number is of two types. One is rational and another is irrational. On the basis of their decimal expansion, real number is divided into two types. One is rational and another is irrational. So we will study one by one. From category 1, we will study rational number. So students, rational numbers are of two types. One is terminating rational numbers. One is terminating rational numbers. Suppose we have a number 2 by 5. Let's divide 2 by 5. So here dividend is 2 and the divisor is 5, and we will represent it on the decimal expansion. So this is 0 point and this is 4, and we will get remainder is 0. So the decimal expansion in which there are definite places of decimal, then we will say it or termed is a terminating rational number. यानी इसका क्या हुआ है कि ये डेसिमल एक्सपांशन किसी डेफिनाइट डेसिमल प्लेसेस से खत्म हो चुका है, यानी इसका रिमाइंडर क्या हो गया, 0 हो गया है. सो हियर 2 by 5 is represented as 0.4. Then come to next category, which is 2 non-terminating repeating non-terminating and repeating, or you can say it recurring rational number. We can say it recurring or repeating, non-terminating, repeating rational number. So let's take an example. Suppose it is 1 by 3. We will divide 1 by 3. Since 1 is less than 3, we will put it as decimal sign. So this is 10 and we will get, this is 3, 9 and 1. Then we will put 10. This is 3. This is 9 and we will put again 0 and this is 3, and this process will continue. And this is non-terminating, यानी इसका आफ्टर डेसिमल द प्लेसेस टर्मिनेट नहीं हो रहा है, यानी 3333 रिपीट हो रहा है. सो वी कैन राइट 0.3333 as 0.3 bar. We will read it as 0.3 bar. So the decimal expansion of 1 by 3 is 0.3 bar, यानी इसका डेसिमल प्लेसेस कभी खत्म नहीं होगा, यानी ये रिपीट होगा, सेम नंबर रिपीट होगा अगेन एंड अगेन. So it is termed as non-terminating, repeating or recurring rational number. So friends, the rational number is divided into two categories on the basis of their decimal expansion. One is terminating rational numbers and another is non-terminating, repeating, recurring rational number. So first example is 2 by 5, यानी 0.4. इसका डेसिमल एक्सपांशन यानी डेसिमल प्लेसेस टर्मिनेट किसी डेफिनेट नंबर के बाद हो रहा है, लेकिन इधर नहीं हो रहा है, डेसिमल प्लेसेस कभी खत्म नहीं हो रहा है. सो इट इज रिटन एज 0.3 बार. सो स्टूडेंट्स, Now this stands for irrational number. As we studied that rational number consisting of terminating rational number and another is non-terminating repeating or a recurring rational number. Then in this kind we will face that the number in which the decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating is categorized under irrational number. So see, in case of root 2, by calculation, we got that is root 2 value is 1.414 and यानी डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद ये रिपीट नहीं होगा, ये कंटिन्यू होगा डिफरेंट नंबर के साथ. So here root 2 approximate value is 1.414 and root 3 approximate value is 1.732 and a कंटिन्यू करेगा, इसलिए ए कैटेगराइज इरेशनल नंबर के लिए है. सो हियर इरेशनल नंबर इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटिंग इन इट्स डेसिमल एक्सपांशन. नाउ स्टूडेंट, दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ योर एनसीईआरटी बुक्स, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 6. The question is that show 3.142678 is a rational number. So before going to get its solution, we have to know first that this is decimal expansion of terminating decimal expansion. So we can easily convert it into P by Q form. As we know that rational number is expressed in the term of P by Q. So here 3.142678 divided by 1.000000. So this is the rational number of terminating. Now question is that it is very easy to convert terminating decimal expansion into its rational form, yani P by Q form. Now we will know how to convert non-terminating repeating decimal expansion into its rational numbers, yani P by Q form. Now this is the question, example number 7 of your book, that is show 0.3333 can be expressed in the form of P by Q. So question is that can it be expressed in the form of P by Q? Yes, it can be expressed in the form of P by Q. As we know that it is the decimal expansion of non-terminating and repeating. So solution is 0.3333 is a non-terminating repeating rational number. So let it be x. So or we can write that let x be 0.3333 or 0.3 bar. This is equation 1. So we will now multiply 10 in its both sides. So 10x is equal to 10 into 0.3333. Here we will write the hints, multiplying 10 to both sides. So we will get 10x is equal to 3.3333 or 3.3 bar. This is equation number 2. So this is 10x is equal to 3.3 bar. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2 we get, that is 10x minus x is equal to 3.3 bar minus 0.3 bar. So this is equal to 9x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 9, yani 1 by 3. So the rational number representation of 0.3333, yani 0.3 bar is 1 by 3. So students, now this is terms for example number 8 of your Ncert book, chapter number system. So the question is that show that 1.272727 can be expressed in the form of P by Q. So the solution is that we can write 1.272727 in the form of 1.27 bar, यानी 27 repeat हो रहा है इधर. So now let x is equal to 1.27 bar or 1.2727, then multiply 10 with x and we will get 12.72727. Here we will write the hints. Multiplying 10 to both sides. So here then we will, this is equation 1, and then multiply 100 to the x and we will get 127.2727, yani 100x is equal to 127.27 bar. Let it equation 2. So here subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we will get what? We will get 100x minus x is equal to 127.27 bar minus 1.27 bar. So this is equal to 99x is equal to 27 bar, 27 bar cancel. So here it is equal to 126. 127 minus 1 is 126. So here x is equal to 126 divided by 99. So here x was 1.27 bar and here x is 126 divided by 99. Hence the rational number representation of 1.27 bar is 126 divided by 99. Now this is the question, example number 9 of your book. Show that 0.2353535 can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P by Q both are integers, where P and Q, where P and Q both are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So come to the solution. Let x is equal to 0.353535 यानी x is equal to 0. इधर कौन रिपीट हो रहा है? ये 3535 रिपीट हो रहा है. सो 35 के ऊपर ये बार. सो x is equal to 0.235 bar. So multiplying 10 to the both sides of the equation 1, we will get 10x is equal to 2.35 bar. That is equation 2. So 100x is equal to 23.5353. Yani multiplying 100 to its both side of the equation 1. Then we will multiply 1000 x is equal to 235.35 bar. Our objective is to make same to the decimal places, यानी 35 बार. Here it is also 35 बार. ये करने से क्या होगा कि ये डेसिमल प्लेसेस जो है वो वैनिश कर जाएगा, यानी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So here see, subtracting equation 2 from equation 3, we get 1000x minus 10x. Here it is 10x and here it is 1000x. So 1000x minus 10x is equal to 235.35 bar minus 2.35 bar. So we will get 990. X is equal to 233. So finally x is equal to 233 divided by 990. यानी ये है हमारा final answer. Now student, this is the example number 10 of your Ncert book. The question is that find an irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. 1 by 7 and 2 by 7 are two rational number, and we have to find out an irrational number between them. So solution, we have by calculation 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 and 2 by 7 is equal to 0.285714 bar. So to find an irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7, we have to choose a number which is non-terminating and non-repeating. So see here, this is 0.14 and this is 0.28. We have to choose between these two numbers. So see here, 0.15015001500015 and it is non-terminating, non-recurring. So this is the irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. So student, by using these concepts we can do exercise 1.1, exercise 1.2 and exercise 1.3. So if you have any doubt, then please text me on comment box. Students, if this video is really helpful to your study, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.